Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stanley, and today we have a guest speaker online with us. His name is Rex. He's a partner with Mavan Capitals, and today we're going to talk a little bit about venture capital corporation and what are the benefits with investing into the VCC. So, Rex, can you tell us a little bit about the benefits and a little background about the VCC?
Sure, Will. First of all, thanks for having me. Fantastic to be here this morning, Stanley. Looking forward to it. How to start the venture capital program? The program itself, Stanley's been around for almost 30 years. 30 years next year, and an amazing program created by the BC government to incentivize investors, people like us, to invest locally into businesses. A number of different verticals within that organization, and technology fits into one of those, and that's primarily where we hang our hat, if you will. The program was created to create a tax incentive back to the investor. Now that's a 30% tax incentive, so it's a fairly lucrative opportunity to be involved in when you're talking about tax products. 30%, so $10,000 investment brings you back a $3,000 return.
Right. So if I invested $10,000, then as a principal investment amount, then the CRA would give me a $3,000 tax credit.
It's the BC government, but yeah, essentially it's coming from
a CRA,
a government body, which is a fantastic back to it. And again, having almost 3 decades of that sponsorship of that program, there's some stability around it and something that you want.
How come I never heard of it? For 30 years and until recent years, I was introduced to this. Like where did all my tax credit go?
Well, it's a great question, Stanley, and I think I can answer it via opinion alone. As phenomenal as the program is, my assumption is that the government doesn't want to be giving everybody 30% tax credit. So if you're not in the know, then you're not going to get it. I also believe that it's specific to a kind of a niche, the private capital markets, right? Like it's kind of a distinguisher to specific type of investors and people promoting investments like yourselves. You have to have that knowledge base to be able to use it. So there is a level of expertise and professionalism that needs to go behind it. So my mom, as an example, probably couldn't roll in and create an eligible business and then get that tax credit. So there is there's some expertise behind it.
I see. Oh, interesting. Yeah. So after I knew about the VCC, I think I've been consecutively year after year investing into it just to help up with my tax liability every year.
It's a great program. It is a $200,000 maximum for individual investors, so it's a great chunk. And to be able to diversify a portfolio and have that piece go in it, and then when you look at technology as an example in our world, it provides a really phenomenal opportunity to break a barrier, not into only a tax incentive product, but also to dip your toe in the water around technology, Stanley. So it's an interesting program that fits perfectly into our business. So our core business is technology, and to be able to have a vertical that allows us to participate in a tax product as well is very fortunate for us and for potential investors.
That's correct, because the 30% tax credit, it's on top, given a tax return from the Canadian or the BC provincial government. But however, my principal is still invested into venture technology companies, right? So it's just the 30% return. This is on top tax benefits that I would get by investing into the VCC.
That's exactly right. And again, why it fits so well with Mavan Capital is that our core business is investing in technology. So it's almost, we're not taking this throw it against the wall, hope it sticks, and we're going to get a tax credit and the rest of your money is gone. This is our business. Like we spend our time looking at vetting, analyzing technology companies. So again, to be able to tack on a tax credit on top of that became very efficient for us as an organization, and again for our current investors, and again for you guys.
Right. So it's almost like a one stone two birds kind of investment opportunity where, if one wants to reduce their tax liabilities, which I believe everyone kind of wants that every year, and want to have some exposure into venturing technology companies, this one single investment can achieve both tasks at the same time. So I think this creates the opportunity and a very diversified option for potential investors. So I think for individuals that would like to know more information about VCC or Maven Capitals and the opportunities they offer, please check out the website below. We'll have the website available for you guys to click on, as well as if you guys have any questions or comments that you guys want to ask, leave a comment below as well. I'll make sure we'll shoot it over to Rex, and then we'll have another video up and answer all your questions.
Hey, thanks so much. And again, Stanley, we're always around for you guys at any point. So look forward to hearing from you.
Absolutely. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, Stan.